Did you know that using the wrong image file type can affect your image's performance on your website? Today I'm going to give you a quick overview of the image file types JPEG, PNG, and SVG and when to use them on your website because each serves a specific purpose. So first let's talk about JPEG. This is the most common image file type, and JPEGs, they basically take all the data of a large image and compress it into a smaller file size without it losing image quality. So anytime you're adding a digital image like this, you will want to save it as a JPEG. Next, PNG files are larger, but unlike JPEGs, you can download them with a transparent background. So something like this can end up looking like this. Now third, an SVG image file doesn't rely on unique pixels to make up the image. Instead, it uses vector data. So while a PNG image might get pixelated as it gets larger, an SVG file won't. So an SVG file type also supports transparency and is significantly smaller than a PNG. So I recommend this file type for your website logo. See the caption for more details.